This is the final video to solve the EqualizerAPO Initialize Failed error on Windows 11. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve the EqualizerAPO Initialize Failed error on Windows 11, and I am going to share them with you. The first effective solution involves performing a clean reinstallation of EqualizerAPO. This method directly addresses potential file corruption or incorrect installation parameters that can prevent the application from initializing correctly. By completely removing existing files and then installing afresh, we ensure all core program files and configuration settings are reset to their default known good state, eliminating any prior software conflicts or registry inconsistencies that might be interfering with proper startup. Next, updating your audio drivers is critical. The Initialize Failed error frequently indicates a problem with EqualizerAPO's interaction with your system's audio hardware. Audio drivers are the essential communication layer between software and hardware. Outdated or corrupted drivers can present an incompatible interface, causing EqualizerAPO to fail during its initial hardware handshake. Updating ensures the latest, most compatible communication protocols are in place, resolving underlying driver conflicts. Another common fix is to run EqualizerAPO as an administrator. EqualizerAPO often requires elevated permissions to interact with system-level audio components and modify system-wide audio processing. Without these administrative rights, it might be blocked from accessing critical resources or making necessary system changes during initialization. Running it as administrator grants the essential access, allowing it to fully integrate with the audio stack. Finally, disabling Windows audio enhancements can resolve conflicts. Windows 11 includes built-in audio enhancements that can sometimes clash with third-party audio processors like EqualizerAPO. These enhancements often attempt to apply their own effects or gain exclusive control over audio devices, creating a conflict when EqualizerAPO tries to initialize and take over audio processing. Disabling these competing layers allows EqualizerAPO to function without interference.